This is a short little tutorial on how to use Google Canvas. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up Google Canvas by going to Launch, going and clicking the up arrow, and we're going to look for Chrome Canvas. It looks like a little art pad. Let's open that up. Chrome Canvas has a lot of nice features. The first feature that I would like to show you is for a science teacher. Let's say that we want to talk about an animal cell. And we want to do a little video on animal cells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the internet. I'm going to find an animal cell without labels. I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of that by doing Control Screenshot. It automatically saves it to your drive for you. Go back to Canvas, and now we want to create from a new image. The easiest way to find it is by going to Recent, and your image is right, your screenshot is right there, and all you do is click open. So one of the nice features about this, using this during your Google Meet, you can have this up before you, and I would preset this before you start your Google Meet, and then it's there for you to use to present with. I will use this window during our Google Meet presentation. But before we move on, the next thing I want to show you on the canvas is for the math teachers out there. I'm going to go back to our gallery. We're going to click a new drawing. Because we have the touchscreen Chromebooks, one of the perks instead of using a PC is that you can write right on the screen. So I want to do a problem with my math students and record it. And so I can write right on the screen x plus 4 squared. And I want to change my colors so that I can, change it to a different thing to create my box. And I'm going to solve right through. Now, mind you, I'm showing you how to use Canvas. You can use Canvas inside Google Meet and during your presentation. So you can use this Google Canvas, and I'll show you how once we get to the Google Meet presentation. And you continue writing. Before you start making any videos though, I would play with all the different features. For example, knowing where the eraser is important, knowing how to change colors, the thickness of markers, and all that right on your canvas. But I thought that for something that I just learned, Google Canvas is a nice little tool, even if you wanted to take pictures of it and save just this. If I wanted to do just the work and push out the work that I completed with no sound and no video, very simple, save as image, and it automatically saves it right to your Google folder. I hope that helps as a quick little tutorial on how to use Google Canvas.